Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to A to Z tutorials. Today we will learn how to create our first C# project and how to get started with Visual Studio 2017. Click on File, New, Project. Here we are. Here we get many options like install, recent, installed and online. We will click on install, explore it. In install you can see C#, Visual C#. Click on Visual C#. You will see many options. Here we are working with Windows Form application, so we will click on Windows Form app. We can create websites. We can do complete web development using C#. We can create Android apps using C# and iOS apps. So now we are working with the Windows Form, so click on Windows Form. Name your application here, whatever you want to name. Click OK. It will create your project within a minute or a half minute. Here our first project created. This is our Windows Form, first Windows Form. When your project is completely created, you will appear with this screen. Okay guys, here is we have two things in our Solution Explorer. It is a Solution Explorer which shows you any form created by you in your project, any file created by you in your project, or any other project created by you. Okay guys, we can create more than one project in our one solution. Solution is a pack of projects, multiple projects that will represent your complete project. Okay guys, here we have only one project. We can add many more projects by right clicking on solution, add a new project. Today we are working with only one project. Here we have a reference properties. I will create detailed tutorial for these two options. Here is our form app. In this form, the user interface of your software, anything you want to create will be created here, and the backend coding, the functionality of your application will be written in this C# file. It will be opened by double clicking on your form. Here we are with our C# file. I will discuss in detail in next tutorial about this whole code already we get in this file. Okay guys, in this tutorial we learn how to create a C# project. In next tutorial we will learn much more about this. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please don't forget to subscribe.